Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to write my wedding invitation card. To make it look more aesthetic, I'm going to decorate it with fresh flowers of orange and pink color, and also with some wild grass flowers. Things which we are going to require is UHU, scissors, small rope, small ribbon of pink color, and also some fresh flower, and also wild flower from wild grass, some brown paper and stapler. This is brown thin raw which we can easily find from stationery shop, and you can also find this pink ribbon easily from any stationery shop. Here are few photograph ideas. Now let's start writing and decorating our card. So first I will take my card, and first I am going to decorate it with a brown paper which I am going to put at the middle of my card and stapler it at the back side. Now it looks something like this. Now I am going to further decorate it with my brown rope. I have placed the brown paper widthwise. Now I'm going to tie the rope lengthwise, and I'm going to make a double tie. Leave 1 inch of rope and cut the rest. Now I will take orange small flower and place it at the tie. Now I'm going to take small white flowers and place it at same tie. After properly adjusting it, you can see how aesthetic my card are looking. Now I'm going to place it in envelope and write the name outside. These cards are giving so vintage vibes now. To bring variation in card decoration, I'm going to use a pink ribbon for this card. So first I'm going to place it lengthwise and then stick it with the help of UHU. And cut the rest of the ribbon with the help of scissors. Now I am also going to place the ribbon widthwise as well. But for widthwise, I am not going to use a UHU. I am going to leave a little bit from the both sides and make a bow. You can make the bow of any size you like, and then cut the rest one with the help of scissors. At the center, I am also going to use a fresh pink flower and also some white small flowers as well. You can see that this decoration idea is also very epic and aesthetic. And for minimal style, you can also use the white small flower in the ribbon and small pink flowers and white flower as well. So all ideas are so aesthetic and great, and you can also use the rope and with white little flowers. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next